mitirang ba kajala megalia konrad ke sangma lo ai khuble ki bor pulit kajala batrat kampoyeng ka sarkar halor ka jingla bantela kam ya ka jingkan reu drok sakini kisngi ulong ba ka sarkar klab tha eknat kampoyeng banile persa yu new ja jingdi penbuai bat ban kem mik benangti ban khayi.
You must be recalling that about a month, 2 months back, we had a meeting on this entire drug issue. And apart from the fact that all these days and months, a lot of crackdown has been there, but specific instructions have been given from the government to the Home Department and to the police that all out efforts should be made to ensure that this menace of drug is put under control and all the people who are involved in it must be caught. And that's what is happening, and it must be seeing that continuously this effort is being made, and the police has been doing a tremendous job, and they'll continue to do that. And I congratulate the Home and the Police Department for the kind of work that they're doing.